Hello, my name is Linh Đan. In this video, I am talking you about the book Awesome Ants, written by Ross B. York. Focus question: what makes ants awesome? A little history. You've seen marching through grass and across sidewalks. You may have even seen them crawling over your kitchen counter. We're talking about ants. Tiny, strong, awesome ants. Ants are about 100 million years old. They were crawling around under the dinosaurs. Between then and now, they've changed a lot. Today, over 10,000 species of ants live on every continent except Antarctica. They have been able to survive so long because of their bodies and how they live. Body parts. Like all insects, ants have 6 legs and 3 body parts. The back part of the body is the abdomen. This part holds the heart and stomach. Some ants have stingers that they use to protect themselves. The 3 pairs of legs attach to the middle part called the thorax. Each leg has little hooks that allow ants to climb almost anything. Ants can even hear with their legs by feeling vibration through the ground. The head contains the brain, 2 eyes, antennae, and jaws. The jaws open and close like scissors. They are used to cutting and carry things. Ants live more than 20 times their own weight. Ants also have other mouth parts for chewing food and drinking. The 2 eyes are each made up of many smaller eyes. Even though ants have so many eyes, they can't see very well. Instead, they use their antennae to get around. The antennae are like all-in-one sensing machine. Ants use them to taste, smell, hear, and communicate with other ants through touching. The long, thin antennae are always moving around. Let's talk. Ants communicate with each other in 3 ways: touch, sound, and smell. Ants touch each other with their antennae in different ways to send different messages. They can also make noises to communicate by rubbing their legs together or on their bodies. The main ways communicate by smell. They release chemicals that other ants can smell long after first ant is gone. Different smells send different messages. For example, a crushed ant releases chemicals that attract other ants. The chemicals also make the other ants attack anything nearby that might be a danger. An ant that has found food will lay down a trail of chemicals for other ants to follow. The trail allows them to find food and return to the colony. One big happy family. Ant colonies are filled with activity. Usually built on the ground, they have many different rooms which all have different uses. Some rooms store food, while others are used to care for the young. Colonies even have rooms for ants to relax in. Within the colony, every ant has a job. Worker ants and soda ants find food and protect the nest. These are usually the ants you see above the ground. Other ants build the nest, take care of the young, and do other jobs. All these ants are female, but only one is allowed to lay eggs, the queen. In other words, all the ants in the colony are related. What about the boys? Male ants have only one purpose in most colonies, to mate with the queen. Once they've done their duty, most male ants simply die. The queen. The queen is the leader of the colony. The largest of the every ant queens are egg-laying machines. Some queens can lay thousands of eggs every day. They can also live longer than most other insects, over 25 years. Let's go floating. Not even water can stop some ants. They climb on top of each other and link their legs until they form a raft or bridge made of their own bodies. Yup, ants are awesome. Ants may be small, but they can do awesome things. Thousands or millions of ants working together can build bridges or float across rivers. They can overpower animals hundreds of times their own size for food. So the next time you come across a chair of ants, stop and watch your, better yet, follow them. When you see that these little girls are capable of, you understand just how awesome they are. Connection. Writing and art. Write an accost poem with words or phrases about ants, using letters in the word awesome ants. Illustrate your poem and share it with your class. Sciences. Research one species of ants, such as carpenter ants or leafcutter ants. Write a paragraph about what makes the species unique. Include a diagram of your ant. The end. Thanks for watching. Bye.